In this training video, we will be going over programming your form builder. So this is fantastic. What this can do is you can create a whole new form. All the forms I've been showing you, you can edit them, you can change their names, but here's an extra one where you literally can just make your own from scratch. So as always, you would enter the name of the form right here, and you would carry on that same name here, which would go here in the side menu. And then also you could enter your form title as well. So just like always, you would use your toolbar. You could use your tokens, which would come here in this field, and you could use your statements as well. You could add anything that you would want. A decline, that they could check off, or you could, there's so many things that you can do. You could have an initial. There's so much power in all this toolbar section. It's fantastic. So make any form that you want, and you can do it through programming and under form builder. Also at the bottom, you could put a checkbox if you want additional notes on this form as it's going to appear. And of course it would show up in this sidebar. And you could also add signatures as well. So all this is possible, and it would show up here as I've been saying. A whole brand new form under Form Builder. To your success, and thank you for watching.